Hi guys, I'm Subhagya and I'm a filmmaker and I'm dyslexic. This is a very interesting story. Basically, dyslexia, if you don't know, is hereditary. मेरी माँ को था, उनके टाइम पे nobody checked, and when she had kids, which is me and my brother, she's like इनका सब चेकअप कराऊंगी. तो उन्होंने मेरे भाई का पहले टेस्ट कराया. तो मैं प्ले रूम में खेल रही थी. वहाँ पे टीचर जो मेरे भाई का टेस्ट ले रहे थे, they were like, you know what, you should get her tested as well, because since it's hereditary, हो सकता है इसको भी हो. And lo behold, मेरे को भी dyslexia था. So in school, like, मतलब मैंने भी sacrifices दिए हैं. मैंने I used to skip yoga classes and PE classes और मेरे को बैठ के remedial classes में भेजा जाता था. But I think that really helped me out. Plus, my mother found some really good special educators for English and maths. So I think visibility is one tool and strategy that really helped. Second was my special educators, and the third is my mother was always a person who was like, okay, if you can't do good in studies, you should always look at other avenues. So she made me train in Indian classical, in Kuchipudi dance. So I kind of became an all-rounder because फिर धीरे-धीरे मेरी पढ़ाई भी अच्छी हो गई. So yeah, that helps. Okay, people think it's a problem to do only with studies and you can't read or write properly or you have difficulties doing that alone. But it's not just that. Like there are multiple things that you have to, like for example, I was playing badminton right now and I'm not that good with things coming at me and trying to figure out how to hit them. Sense of direction basically. So I'll be very quintessential with this and I'm going to give a basic answer. Which is जब मेरे 12th के marks आए बहुत खुश हुई थी. Because everything was leading up to it. Like we all know in Indian households, 12th ka pressure is unreal. I think till now also it's unreal. And like I kid you not, third class में मेरे English में 30 में से 3 आते थे. And I got 95 on 100 in my 12th. So for me, it was a huge achievement. And I got really good marks. I got into LSR. Then I got into Jamia. I made great friends. And now I'm doing something that I love, which thankfully does not involve a lot of maths.